In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your bank account for payouts on Depop. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to depop.com. Once the website loads, sign in to your Depop account. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you manage more than one profile, because the payout settings are tied directly to the account you're currently logged into. After you're signed in, look for your profile avatar, usually located near the top of the page. Click on it to open the account menu, then choose your selling hub. This is where Depop keeps the main tools related to selling, orders, and payment management. So if you're setting up your payout details, this is the right place to be. Inside the selling hub, find and click the payments tab. This section is where you can review how your Depop payments are handled and where your payout information is stored. If you've never connected a bank account before, this is also where you'll be prompted to finish that setup. Next, select Payment Settings. In this area, you'll see the Payout section where Depop asks for your banking details. Carefully enter your bank's routing number and your account number exactly as they appear on your bank information. It's important to type these details accurately because even a small mistake could delay your payout or send it to the wrong account. If possible, double-check the numbers before moving forward. Once everything looks correct, submit your details to save them. After that, Depop will automatically process and transfer your available Depop balance to your linked bank account. In most cases, the transfer takes around 2 to 3 business days, so don't worry if the money doesn't appear instantly. Processing times can vary slightly depending on your bank and whether the request was made on a weekend or holiday. As a helpful tip, after submitting your bank information, it's a good idea to stay on the page for a few seconds and confirm that the update has gone through successfully. If the site shows a confirmation message or updated payout status, that usually means everything has been saved properly. And that's it. Once your bank account is linked, your Depop payouts can be sent directly to it automatically, making it much easier to receive your earnings from sales.